First day, I'm going to check the oil. So, what I would normally do is I would open up the front of the car, but alas, there is no engine in there. There's no oil there. So where would the motor be, you may ask? Well, follow me and we'll find it. And you push this button, and normally I would put my briefcase back here, but look, there's an engine. A wonderful engine, an LT2 Corvette motor. 6.2 liters, 495 horsepower. Oh yeah. And if I wanted to check the oil, because I promised, see that dipstick right there? That's what I would grab and pull it out, and that's where you would put oil in, because this Corvette is not like any other in the history of Corvettes. And if you wanted a little extra room to put stuff back here, like the top, you would put it back here, which is pretty cool. Normally in a mid-engine car, you don't have trunks in the front and trunks in the back. So that's pretty cool engineering. One of the many cool things of this car. Thanks. Go for it.